it's Kirsten from WTI. Is the iPhone 7 still a great option? Well, in my opinion, it is. So there's a lot of newer models of the iPhone out there, so why would you get the iPhone 7 considering it is such an older model? Well, I think this would be a great option for parents who want to get their kids a phone. Maybe they don't want to spend a lot of money on the newest model, knowing how kids can kind of treat things. So I think this would be a really good option for parents to get for their kids. It is still a really great phone. It has the thumbprint on the bottoms to open up the screen, which is really nice because just your children will be able to open it, no one else will. I also think it's a really great size. It's really thin, as you can see, really easy to hold, and I feel like it is a perfect size for children as they are a lot smaller and they don't require such a large screen. I like reading books on this model because I find the screen size is really nice. I really think it's a really great phone because the camera works well still. It's still a really good value. So I feel like if you're looking for an older model iPhone, this would be a really great option. It does have the lightning attachment here for charging and for the headphones, so you can use that for this phone as well. So the iPhone 7, in my opinion, is still a great option. Obviously, it doesn't have all the features of the newer models, but I think it still has really great features if you're looking for a basic phone for yourself or for your children. And that's my point of view.